Rejection is important and you cannot escape from that. We all know about it. But what happens when you are rejected? What is the situation in your mind that when someone rejects your offer? How you handle that conditions and the mental status at that particular time? Let me give you 3 steps which will help you to come back again. And the number 1 step is, if you have been rejected by the person in that organization, leave him for next 60 days minimum. Means don't contact him for next 60 days. The important part here is because you don't know what is the set of his mindset. You don't know that the stuff which he is trying already is really working well or not, or maybe he's in the trial period of that particular thing which you are also offering. So don't bother him again. It will also give a impression that you are a pushy person. Don't do that. Step number 2, monitor his activities. Let's see what he is doing, what his organizations are doing, what they are releasing any information in the public, or maybe from your contacts, that what is going in that particular organization or with that particular department which this person is handling. It's very important for you to remain up to date that what is going on. Third, which is very important, reach to the person above him. That is very important. Most of the time people lose that deal because they only get stuck with the one person. But if you move to the one level above or two level above, maybe that person, the person at the top, or maybe a management layer, have a different perspective that you can do at any time. Fourth, which is the bonus from my side, reach out to the other players in the ecosystem. Maybe this person already has some good things which they are very proud of. They don't have a need, but the similar situation, the similar offering can be a boom to the other person which are in the same ecosystem. And who is stopping you to call them and to contact them? Look, you are in a business, you are a businessman, and for you every person should be a customer. So remove the the brand oriented or the working only with tier 1 or tier 2 players from your mind. Right now learn how to earn the money and how to serve the people who are in your contact. If they are not being addressed, go and address to these people. They can be your customer and they can be a more loyal to the person whom you are approaching to. So these 3 plus 1 bonus will give you a lot of synergy and will give you a push to keep your value offering intact and reach to the more and more people in the less span of time. If you like this video or if you find it interesting, share your comments and give your learning how you address the challenges of being rejected by by your client or by the particular person in that organization. Waiting for your comments. Thank you.